How to delete Facebook account permanently. So if you want to delete your Facebook account permanently, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 bat icon, and then scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings. Under settings, you just need to simply go with the account center option, which is on the first, and go with personal details, tap on account ownership and control, and tap on deactivation or deletion. Choose your Facebook account that you would like to delete, and then tap on delete account and tap on continue. And you need to choose a reason why you would like to delete your account. So I'll be choosing a privacy concern, and then tap on continue, and again tap on continue. And if you have any pages, then those pages will also be deleted. So if you want to delete, then you just need to simply tap on continue again, which is on the bottom of your screen, and here you need to enter the password. So this is the last step. You need to enter the password, and once you enter your password of your account, tap on continue, and once you tap on continue, your account will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your Facebook account permanently, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.